Iqembu lamabhokobhoko beliyingxenye yabantu abebezokwamukela umqeqeshi weBanyana. Abalandeli bazwakalise ukuziqhenya kwabo ngaleli qembu.
I am so happy because Banyana Banyana has reached last 16. You know, to reach last 16, you have to be the best. Banyana Banyana has beaten Italy. Banyana Banyana has done the best.
To go to the group stage is not up in place for last 16. So I just want to encourage all the supporters, especially the ladies. They must also tell other ladies that we need to support our Banyana Banyana.
Umqeqeshi weBanyana uthi ukulimala kwabadlali kungenye yezinto ezibathwalise kanzima emidlalweni we-last 16.
I think the injuries in the game most probably stopped us from going any further. But a big thank you to the supporters back home. We felt your prayers, we saw your messages of support after we qualified for the last 16.
Ellis unxusa ukuba kube nemiqhudelwano yabesifazane nokuyiyo ezokwenza abadlali behlale bezilungiselele.
If we can get this professionally going, where you don't have to work 9 to 5 and then go to training, I'm sure, the football will improve. The best will play against the best. We will also attract most probably the best foreign players on the continent.